So I've got this crazy idea. I will be editing this photo. I will add some props like this car. That should be awesome photo. Here is what it should look like. I've got my little setup in here. My camera is ready to take photo of this toy car. So I already had set up the angle. And once I'm done with the photo of this toy car, I'll just go start to stitch it up in the Photoshop. Okay, so now that we've got the shots, here's what it looks like. I think I kinda like the coloring in here, so maybe I'll just base the color from this photo. I'm gonna export it to the highest possible resolution. So what I'm gonna do now is I will just do the basic corrections in the photo itself. I really like this already. Everything is in focus, which is how it's supposed to be. So I did a couple of shots here. The first shot that I did is for backlit, since the reference photo that we have is like backlit. So what I did in the first shot is I tried to imitate the backlit thing, so it should give some backlit highlights in the toy car. Then later on I'm gonna stitch it in Photoshop. I also tried to make some yellow lights just to blend it a bit later, just to give it like a street lightings kind of effect. So there are like two main lightings in here: the rim lighting, the key light, and backup light or shadow light, which is this one, the yellow.
It was this moment when I realized that the angle of the toy car is a bit off. So I have to do the photo of the toy car all over again, but it's pretty much the same process, except I have added this black book underneath the toy car, so later on I can add it as a shadow, because I was expecting that the road will be similar to the color of the book, so it will be easier for me to blend in.